How do dash cams record while parked? So we actually took four 4K Sony Starvis 2 dash cameras to see how they record with motion detection at night. So we took the 70mm A810 brand new 4K HDR, the Thinkware U3000, Viofo A139 Pro, and the Vantrue N4 Pro. And in this video coming up, you're going to see how 3 out of the 4 work. The reason why I say 3 out of the 4 is because the 70mm A810 uses AI motion detection. So it didn't deem the motion detection video that it was recording as being important. So it actually just didn't save it at all. So if you are worried about someone being suspicious or something happening in your area and you wanted to catch that person, well, let's just put it this way. My first set of tests are basically showing that you do not want to invest in this dash cam because it's not going to record if you're using the motion detection feature. Anyways, we're going to show you the video here. Pay attention. I think you're going to be blown away at who actually wins. Let's go. So after seeing this test, what do you think? Leave some comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I know for me, I would probably choose the Thinkware U3000. And honestly, I'm actually very surprised because I felt that with the Viofo and the Vantrue both using HDR, I thought for sure those would have absolutely destroyed the U3000. But honestly, for some weird reason, when you're nighttime driving, the Thinkware U3000 just doesn't really work as well as the Viofo and Vantrue with the HDR. But when we're looking in parking mode and it uses its Super Night Vision 4.0, you can actually make out my face somewhat, and you can actually see my shirt and make out like the words on my shirt if you really slow it down and go in there. But like, I don't know, like for me, I probably would get the Thinkware U3000 after seeing this. Like, this really blew me away. I know a few people were pushing me into doing this test. But anyways, hopefully this education is helping you out. The more and more choices we keep giving you, and actually this does prove my original suggestion from quite a while ago, is that the Thinkware U3000 is a parking mode first dash camera. So if you're looking for the best parking mode, that's what you want, is a Thinkware U3000. I'm Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, your dash cam specialists. Thanks again.